Details with our viewers. On that note, we're shifting focus to further developments. Congress leader Pawan Khera has once again targeted the central government for the CBSE and the NEET fiasco. He has claimed that the government has no interest in cybersecurity, and in such a situation, children's information is getting compromised and all their data has been leaked out. Pawan Khera has further asked the government to address the complaints, give answers, and has claimed that the CBSE has meanwhile prepared a script and sent it to all schools. Listen in.
जब सीबीएसई ने ये नया सिस्टम लाए, पहले क्या सिस्टम होता था कि साहब ये आंसर शीट्स हैं, इस आंसर शीट्स को आप भेजोगे और इन्विजिलेटर जो होगा, एग्जामिनर जो होगा, वो उसको जांच करेगा उत्तरों की और मार्क्स देगा। बहुत सिंपल सिस्टम था, ये सिस्टम था। इन्होंने कहा नहीं साहब, ये सिस्टम तो नेहरू जी का सिस्टम है, इसको हटाओ। ये कांग्रेस का सिस्टम है, इसको हटाओ। अब मोदी जी का सिस्टम आएगा। क्या था मोदी जी का सिस्टम? साहब मोदी जी का सिस्टम ये था कि अब फिजिकल कॉपीज की जगह स्कैन्ड कॉपीज यानी कि डिजिटल कॉपीज पोर्टल पे डाली जाएंगी। ये आंसर शीट है, इसको आप स्कैन करेंगे, ये पोर्टल पे जाएगी। ठीक है साहब, इसके लिए कंपनीज आइडेंटिफाई करनी पड़ेगी, टेंडर निकालना पड़ेगा। टेंडर निकालने के लिए आपको कुछ पैमाने रखने पड़ेंगे। There have to be some standard operating procedures. जो टेक्निकल स्टैंडर्ड्स होते हैं वो बड़े दुरुस्त होने चाहिए, बड़े पुख्ता होने चाहिए, ताकि कोई गलती ना हो। ठीक है, तो पहला राउंड हुआ टेंडर का। पहले राउंड में टीसीएस नाम की कंपनी, अकेली कंपनी थी, टाटा कंसल्टेंसी सर्विसेज, जो कि मार्केट की, इंडस्ट्री की एक लीडर मानी जाती थी। चलिए साहब, बोला नहीं एक ही कंपनी है, एक ही बिडर है, कैसे हो सकता है। एक और राउंड। अब जब दूसरा राउंड, उसमें कोई नहीं आया। फिर अगस्त 2025 में दो कंपनीज ने क्वालिफाई किया, टीसीएस और ये कोएम्प्ट एड्यूटेक, जिसके बारे में मैंने अभी एक सवाल उठाया कि धर्मेंद्र प्रधान जी, आपसे इनका क्या रिश्ता। और भाजपा के बाकी नेता भी बता दें, खुद ही बता दें, नहीं तो कोई 18-19 साल का लड़का फिर निकाल के ले आएगा कि साहब ये रिश्ता है। तो उससे पहले खुद ही बता दीजिए क्या रिश्ता है। अब क्या हुआ कि अगस्त 2025 में जो टेंडर आया, इसमें ये दो कंपनीज क्वालिफाई की। टीसीएस तो साइड में हो गया, कोएम्प्ट एड्यूटेक सामने आ गया। उसको क्वालिफाई करवाने के लिए जो स्टैंडर्ड्स होने चाहिए, जो पैरामीटर्स होने चाहिए, जो क्राइटेरिया होना चाहिए, उस सबको हल्का कर दिया गया, डाइल्यूट कर दिया गया।
We've heard what Pawan Khera has had to say. Remember, there have been several discrepancies that have come to light over the last couple of days. Whistleblowers have come forth as well to warn of certain lapses in the portal security. Anand Singh, my colleague, is with us on the broadcast. Anand, the Congress party now slinging pot shots at the government, asking tough questions.
Yep, yeah, look, the way in which today Pawan Khera addressed the crucial press conference, and he highlighted that how the companies which were handed over the job of scanning the answer sheets of a student and uploading it on the website. So clearly, there were two of the companies which came into the fray for the tender process. First, it was only TCS, then none of the other companies were there. So fresh bidding was announced, and in which the COEM came with the TCS, but the tender was given to COEM. And this is reason why they are asking question with the government, that why such a company was given tender that was not following the proper procedure of 300 DPI for scanning the pages of the answer sheets of the student. And this is a very serious question that the Congress party has been raising. Even yesterday, we have seen that how leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, also highlighted the same. And he asked a question with Dharmendra Pradhan, that why is he sitting on the post of education minister. And similarly, today Pawan Khera also addressed the press conference, and he too fired salvos at the government, that what was the compulsion of the government to give a tender to COEMT by rejecting TCS, which is one of the finest software company providing solutions for such tasks. And this is why we have seen that how in last couple of months, when several of the examinations have came under a scanner, and the way in which several examination papers have got leaked, and even the CBSE students raising the question that how their answers leaked, they have asked for re-evaluation, and in which the CBSE has been agreeing that yes, there was some error. So clearly highlighting the Congress party has been demanding accountability from the government, as future of over 9 crore students is based on the same. Back to you.
All right, Anand, with that